Hello, Umut here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to work on my napkin journal. All my napkin journal. These are the pages I've done before using napkins. They're all on video, so you can go to the playlist napkin journal and watch them all if you want. I have two napkins today. One is this gorgeous big flowers, all pink and orange. And the other is a black and white napkin with butterflies on it. Taking the opportunity, I would like to thank all my crafter friends who send me napkins from all over the world. Thanks so much. I love them all and I try to use them as much as I can. I'll just tear these two napkins. Of course, I removed the backing. So don't forget to remove the backings first, the white parts. And generally there are two layers, and I'm just tearing some butterflies from the black and white one, and I tore the other to kind of create a background for it. I want to see like the flowers flying off the see the butterflies flying off the flowers. And first I will stick down my butterflies. I'm using matte medium, and I don't care if there's a little bit wrinkle around the napkin. It creates a texture. I am not after perfection. And I'm going to glue the other napkin at the bottom of the page. Again, I just do it randomly. I will tear it from there and cover the other part. And if there are parts that are not covered, I will just tear small pieces of napkin and glue them on top of each other. This way it also looks more organic, more natural, more imperfect, which I like a lot. In this process I'm going to take my acrylic paints. I took this Arteza heavy body paint in magenta. I just looked around all my paints and just decided according to the colors, not according to which brand. And I will just try to create this coral color. I mixed a little bit light orange with white, so that way you can create it. And I just painted with my finger all around the page to blend everything with the same colors. I just again forgot to press the record on camera, and after that I decided to make some splashes all around. So I splashed with the same coral color, the pink, and a little bit white, so that everything is all blended together. And finally I'm going to take some stickles and make these shiny. I took again a tangerine color that would go with this coral type of color, and I'm going to use these stickles on my butterflies. I will just randomly apply so that they have the same color. This also makes it cohesive, bringing everything together. These days I seem to like these shiny things a lot, like glitters, stickles, gold paints, all these things. Now I took another color of stickles, which is again this magenta dark pink color, and I continue to apply it on my butterflies. I put a little bit a dot or two on the flowers and all around. I couldn't stop myself, and I put these dots everywhere on the page. This pencil is Stabilo All in black. What is different about this pencil is you can write it over plastic, so it writes over acrylic because acrylic paint dries and it turns into plastic. So I will draw these lines as if the butterflies are flying. And finally I'm going to make a border with my gelato in black. This will draw the eye inside where all this color is going on. and it will create a very nice contrast against all these very bright colors. Coming to the sentiment, I have a couple of stickers from a Tim Holtz sticker book, soulful and hopeful. So I will just stick it in the 2 pages. And that's it. That's all for today. My page is finished. I hope you like this quick and easy page. Especially it's fun when you don't have a lot of time just to play with a couple of things, and if you are a beginner it makes things much more easier. All the visuals are ready and even the colors are ready. You don't need to think about it. So I would really recommend. It's an activity for me to do mindfulness. Really, it's like meditation. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like or leave a comment down below so that we can interact. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.